This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheels, then pull the plastic wheel trim from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the head of the jack under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Use a jack to slightly raise the trailing arm. Unscrew and remove the lower mounting Torx bolt, followed by the upper mounting bolt. Maneuver the shock absorber into position, align the holes, then insert the upper mounting bolt. Insert the lower mounting bolt. Tighten the upper mounting bolt to the specified torque. Tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque. Lower the trailing arm. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the bolt holes. Insert and lightly tighten the wheel bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Align the cutout in the wheel trim with the tyre valve, then press it firmly into place.